Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to smooth face in Photopea. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, tap on this view here and go for this fit the area. Now you can see your picture clearly. Now go to this layer, go to this duplicate layer, then go to image and adjustment, scroll down and go for this invert and you will see this kind of result. Now go to this drop down here and you can change it into vivid light. Then go to filter, go to this other and select this high pass and make it radius around 13 and 14. Then click on OK. Now go to this filter again, go to this blur and go for this Gaussian blur here and again make the radius around 0.7 or 8 and then click on OK. For change the foreground color and then tap on this icon and go for this alt and now tap on this icon here mask. Now go to this icon here brush tool, select brush tool, go for this size and hardness, make it a little bit bigger. I'm going for 200, make it little bit bigger and then you can see the results if you place it on your face like this. You can see our skin is getting smooth and smooth wherever I am applying this brush now. For the difficult areas, you can small your brush and go with some difficult areas as well and you will see this kind of results. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to make smooth face in Photopea. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.